Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word warningly. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She shook her head warningly as her friend made a reckless decision. The word warningly is an adverb that describes an action done in a manner intended to caution or advise others about a potential danger or risk. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.